I'm Wendy Ryan with a closer look at the power and control wheel. Also known as the Duluth model, it's been in use since 1984. The wheel reveals the pattern of behavior in a domestic violence or dating abuse situation. Experts say isolation is the warning sign most likely to appear first. A victim's personal relationships with friends and family are closely monitored, whether online, in phone calls and texts, or on social media. For more information on the wheel, visit our website, Taking Action Against Domestic Violence for a Decade.